Are you looking for the best printers under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best printers under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 8035. HP OfficeJet Pro 8035 printer under 200. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8025/8028/8035 is an all-in-one inkjet printer for families. Its compact size does not take up much space on your desk or table. The print quality and color accuracy of the printer is sufficient for taking pictures from time to time. Flat-to-flat scanners and high-resolution scans make it easy to back up vulnerable family photos and also feature an automatic document loader for scanning multi-page documents. However, double-sided scanning is not allowed and you will have to manually flip the double-sided page. Unfortunately, this printer has a very low black ink efficiency and often needs to be replaced, which increases the cost. On the other hand, its color cartridges are a bit more efficient, especially for printing photos. Number 2. Epson WorkForce WF 2860. Epson WorkForce WF 2860 inkjet printer under $200. The Epson WorkForce WF 2860 is a decent all-in-one inkjet printer. The scanner has great features because it is equipped with an automatic document charger, ADF, that scans in high resolution and unfortunately cannot perform double-sided scanning. The cartridge system is poor and the page performance is poor on both black and color pages. Fortunately, cartridges aren't expensive, so long-term printing is beneficial. It has excellent connectivity options and allows you to print the most common file types from complementary applications. It's a pretty well-built printer, but its screen is hard to see if you're looking at it from the side. Number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 has a solid gray and white plastic body that looks sturdy. The lid of the scanner can be lifted lightly, which is good when scanning large objects. However, if unfolded too much, it will disconnect from the hinge and expose the wire. Normally, as long as the hinges are aligned, the scanner should close without any problems, but it can be difficult to place them. It's also not easy to open and close the front paper tray. At the top, ink cartridges can be easily accessed by opening the lid, and paper jams can be accessed by lifting the top of the scanner lid. Like HP printers, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 has a great color touch screen. It can be tilted vertically and viewed from most angles. Its touch controls are also responsive, easy to use, and provide audible feedback.